going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chunky! I didn't say.
Eat your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? Hope you guys are having a great day so far. I've got an interesting one. It's a good one, but it's more interesting than good for this clip. It's weird. Now, there's something going on. I don't know if it's MH. I don't know. This is one of those videos I probably should have reached out to an expert about, but watch it. Let me know what your opinions are. Yeah, just be nice. Be nice. All right, before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
Judge Cardona Decker is available.
Hello.
Hello, I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have a number of charges here that have not been taken care of. There's at least 2 counts of failure to appear. There's petty larceny, which is a theft, shoplifting. You have 4 counts of battery, 1 count of battery on a law enforcement officer, another count of trespass, and lastly, giving false information. I have appointed counsel for you. Mr. Lilich is here. If you could ask the gentleman that gave you the headphones, if he could put you in a breakout, you can speak with your lawyer in private.
Okay, she said do a breakout, yeah.
A lot of lip reading goes.
Your Honor.
All right, fast forward about 10 minutes after they had a conversation. I do appreciate the judge came straight forward, introduced herself, said what court she's in, her name, and the charges. Makes my job a lot easier, at least. So thank you, Judge. All right, let's go.
I have visited with Ms. Cardona Decker about communicating with her via Zoom and via electronically. She has expressed that she is concerned that this communication is being monitored and intercepted, and that there's some ongoing observation of her at the Wyandotte County Jail. So I feel obliged to raise this issue with the court. And if the court would like, I think she's ready to address the court on this concern, this issue.
I will listen, Ms. Cardona Decker. Yes.
All right, grab your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax, because this gets wild. And again, I think there's an underlying issue with her. I don't know what it is. I'm not an expert, so I'm not going to speculate. But yeah, I'm just going to say wow.
The only thing I was stating is that the attorney-client privilege is completely revoked, or being violated in this facility. And how so, and that I can confirm this is the technology is very apparent and obvious if you pay attention in this facility. I also, when I was transported from this facility, reached out to no one while here, the 2-week duration that I was here. And then I was transported to TCF. The drones were there. I have guards that can testify to this. I can also have several inmates that could testify to it. Those drones followed me from that facility to the only people that would know. I reached out to no one again during the time of my incarceration. When I left there, the only people that knew where I was going, which would be they took me directly to my parole officer. With taking me directly to my parole officer took me directly to a hotel. Then there was the drones.
Guys, I am sorry. I hit a button on accident. All right, there we go. Back to normal. Didn't mean to do that. I'm really sorry. Okay.
Again. These drones are on me 24/7. I documented it with the police. They are still active in this facility. I am a writer. I could, if I needed to go back, a short recess, I could go back. I mean, I write anywhere from 30 to 70 poems a day. It's pertaining to my charge in 2007 with I had an assault on a police officer, and so they've been stalking me, the police themselves.
So, Ms.
So-
Cardona Decker, I'm going to just stop you there. So what
Mhm.
you're saying is that you do not wish to speak with your lawyer via this communication.
Okay.
That,
No, that's not what I had I told him. I explained to him
no,
that
I'm talking about today's
I
hearing.
know. Yes. I explained to him.
We're not dealing with any other
I
charges.
know. I
except
just
the ones
told
that-
him, this is what I'm sorry. I told him that I was okay with continuing to the communication, but I needed it to make it aware for, because I'm reaching out to the news about this situation, that I'm aware that the technology is hacking, or however it because of I don't have knowledge of how it exists. Okay. And I told him I was okay with us continuing in conversation, but I needed to state it for my source of evidence that this exists, just like the prolonged time I've been here. And I've made aware through the kiosk yesterday, and then here comes these charges all of a sudden that were completely gone because I survived.
Okay.
And I'm here.
Well, these charges are through the municipal court.
Yes,
They
I'm aware.
stem from back in 2023, mostly all in
Mhm.
August of September of 2023.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's what I'm dealing with today.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want to
And
still talk
I'm
with
fine
your
to talk
lawyer?
to him. Yeah,
You
that's
want to
fine.
talk to him again?
Yes, I could talk to him. I tried to explain that to him. I just needed
Okay.
to have it documented that I know the
All right.
attorney-client privilege is being breached, and
Okay.
therefore I'm not in control of it, but I'm not for it.
All right.
Your Honor, and I don't mean to interrupt, but in light of the qualification that my client is putting on this communication with her today, I don't feel comfortable proceeding. I mean, she is qualifying this communication as if this is not private, that she
Right.
is being stalked. I don't want to be difficult. If the court directs me to go ahead and proceed and discuss her case with her today, I certainly will, but I'm not comfortable how she has qualified this.
It is.
Well,
It's
and-
also it does.
All right, good on the attorney for taking it serious. Now, I don't know if I would, like, again, I don't know what's going on with her. Maybe she is being hacked and stalked. I have no idea. But I told you it's strange, and it's about to get stranger.
Doesn't matter if we're here on video or it's face to face, because I spoke with my attorney today, and it's always it's when I'm in the shower, it's always there.
Okay. All right. Well, here at this point, this is the only way you can communicate. Are you saying let me ask you this, if you were removed from the jail to our court so that you could talk to Mr. Lilich, would you still feel that there was some issues with privacy?
Yes, there is still issues because they follow me
Okay.
everywhere,
All right.
ma'am.
All right. Well, then what I'm going to
It's the
do is
people
I'm
within
going
the
to
facility.
I'm going to
Like there's
this
guards here
matter.
that have tried to kill me on the streets.
Right. What I'm going to do.
Miss Ballard and Mr. Lee was down the streets trying to kill me one night in October of last year.
Okay.
Late October, early November.
Because I know that you are in custody for some other matters over in district court. Therefore,
that are not mine, and in which I have filed identity
theft.
theft, and I don't even see how you guys are progressing.
I'm going to continue these
tack on
matters to
charges to
September
me.
20th at 1 o'clock. If you are still in custody at that time, we will meet again this way. If you are not in custody, you have to appear September 20th at 1 o'clock.
I will still be in
municipal court.
custody.
Well, I'm just saying, if you do get out, I don't have
Is
control
there
over
a
those
way
other
that you're able
matters.
to address the technology situation? Because as to my understanding, you guys have had hacking occur since 2019, and nobody is actually getting this on the news and getting it resolved.
Well, ma'am, here's my problem. You're saying that if we meet by this communication, you don't feel comfortable. I have
No, I'm not
suggested that,
saying that I
wait a
don't feel
minute, ma'am,
comfortable. I'm just for
listen to me.
legal purposes.
I've also suggested you could come over and meet privately in a room, and you're saying that's not helpful either.
I'm just
So I'm
saying that
going to
you're still going to have
continue,
your
ma'am,
technology there.
I'm going to continue the matter to September 20th at 1.
Okay,
The hearing is over. You can give your headphones back
okay.
to.
All right, that was it. That was it. Again, kind of a strange case. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a great rest of your day. Until next time, bye.